Hi, it's good to see you again. Now we're going to study and review about the classification of animals. Alright, here we will start this classification review from mammals. Humans, bats, and dolphins are classified as mammals because they have an outer covering of hair and their skin, and they feed their young with milk or suckle their young. Okay, so this is it. It's the form the fourth largest group of the animals is the mammals. These are the characteristics. It gives birth to their young except for the spiny anteater and the platypus. So except spiny anteater and the platypus, all mammals give birth to their young. The next one is the only group of animals that suckle their young, feed their baby with milks from the mother's breast. The only group of animals with an outer covering of hair. Most of them live on land, but some live in water. So we can conclude here the characteristics of mammals are it gives birth to their young, they suckle their young, they're covered by hair. So this is the example of mammals that live on land. We have rat, tiger, elephant, porcupine. And the mammals that live in water, we have whale, walrus, dolphin, and dugong. Anyway, bats are mammals. It can fly, but they are not birds because they have an outer covering of hair. They do not have feathers like bird, and they suckle their young. Alright, next group of animals is bird. Right, we can see here. These are the parts of bird. We have beak, they have 2 legs, feathers, and a pair of wings. Okay, so these are the characteristics of birds. They lay hard-shelled egg, or we just can say they lay eggs. But remember, the eggs of the birds is different from the eggs of fish and frogs. That's why we say they lay hard-shelled eggs. All of them have a beak. They all have 2 wings and 2 legs. And this is the only group of animals with an outer covering of feathers. Most of birds can fly, but some birds are flightless or cannot fly. Here are the example of birds that can fly: myna, pigeon, seagull, and swallow. These are the example of birds that cannot fly. We have emu, kiwi, ostrich, and penguin. A penguin, here I give you some extra. A penguin is an excellent swimmer. It waddles on land. And an ostrich is a fast runner, while both of them, they are flightless bird. Next groups of animal is fish. This is the part of fish. They have gills, gill cover, scales, fins, and tail. Okay, they help them to move and steer the direction. Alright, the fish is the form of the second largest group of animals, and here are the characteristics of fish. Most of them have an outer covering of slimy scales, and all of them have fins to help them swim and gills to help them breathe. They all live in water, but some live in fresh water while others live in seawater. Most of them lay eggs, but some give birth to their young. So this is the example. These are the example of fish that lay eggs. We have goldfish, anglefish, sea bass, many things others, and these are the fish that give birth. We have molly, guppy, and swordtail. Next we have reptiles. The example of reptiles are snakes, crocodiles, lizards, and tortoises. Okay, most of them, they have waterproof, tough skin covered with dry scales. They do not have a constant body temperature. So it depends on the surrounding, the temperature on their surrounding. They breathe with lungs, they lay eggs on land, and most of them live on land, but some live in water as well. Most of them have 4 legs, but some do not have legs, such as snakes. Next group is amphibians. The amphibians, such as frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts, are amphibians. Okay, they spend the earlier part of their life in water and the later part on land. So we can say that they can live both on land and water. Remember, amphibian will breathe using gills while they are in water, and they breathe with lungs when they are on land. Okay, when they are young, they breathe with gills. When they are adult, they breathe with lungs when they are on land, and their most moist skin in the water when they are in the water. They lay eggs in water, and the eggs itself, it's covered by jelly-like egg. They do not have a constant body temperature like reptiles, so their body temperature is following the surrounding temperature. The next one, you can see here, this is the example of insect. You can see the parts of their body. These are the legs, these are the feelers, and they have 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects form the largest group of animals, and these are the characteristics of insects. They lay eggs for reproduction. They have a pair of feelers or antennae in their head. They have 3 body parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. And they are the only group of animals that have 6 jointed legs on their thorax. 6 legs on the thorax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some insects have wings and can fly, while others do not have wings and cannot fly. So these are the examples of 2 pairs of wings of insect. We have butterfly and dragonfly. 1 pair of wings insect. We have housefly and mosquito. And no wings insect. We have ant, silverfish, and termites. Here is the extra for you. Centipedes, spider, and ticks are not insects because they have more than 6 legs. They have 8 legs, and they also only have 2 body parts. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and healthy. I'll see you soon, and God bless you.